I'm back here to work on the Copart loot-filled Focus again. It's been a while. Been doing a lot of stuff, traveling, and it's been raining and work. So I'm glad to be finally back on it. Today's goal is to get all those spot welds drilled out and get everything moved around to where I need it to be moved, so that I can test fit those panels that I bought. So we'll see how far I get, but that's the goal for today. And then if I can get that far, tomorrow's goal is to weld those panels in so I can finish this thing up and get it inspected. So stick around. Well, as to be expected after sitting here for over a month, the batteries are dead, so I'm gonna have to jump them off, and we'll go from there. But nothing like taking a break and coming back and then having to take another break while you're waiting for the shit to charge up. So I got this one running. I'm gonna drive it down the road, but I locked myself in the car, or locked the keys in with it running, so I had to climb through the back, which was fun. Thank God I didn't tape it. You would have scared everybody. But when I came through the back, I noticed I hadn't cleaned out the back of these seats. In the back of the seats, I found a pair of sunglasses and some sodium chloride injection. I don't know what the hell they're for. They expired in March of 2016. And these glasses, supposedly, they say Chinese, but they also say John Madden. I have no idea who that is, but I'll show them to my daughter and find out. So here we go. So as you can see, I have got the Focus moved. It started, it ran, drove it up the road, and then I have the marquee started as well. I'm going to see if I can get it out of here without running over anything, and I should be able to. And then I'm going to move this out of the way of the shop, make sure there's nothing behind here that I can run over, and then once we do that, then Billy can move the tractors and we can get all that taken care of. Well, I put it on 8 high max AC, and guess what? The AC blows like a champ. So I'm going to take her down the road before I park it, just to give it a chance to charge the battery up a little bit more. I think it needs a front end alignment from whatever hit it, and plus it's got the spare tire on it. But got 3/4 of a tank of gas, and seems to run great. Air conditioner works great. Windshield wipers work great. I just got to fix this door and that fender, and I'm going to sell this sucker. Anyhow, and it's got oil pressure. It's all kinds of goodness. So that's what I'm going to do. Sorry about the tractor noise in the background, but it is a tractor shop. First thing I'm going to do today is take that latch off. It takes a T40 Torx bit. Appears like there might be a little bow in the center of this. We'll see once we get everything else put back together. So I got done. I got that piece off right there. Now I'm investigating some more, seeing how I can go about pulling this out. I'm going to compare it to what I bought to see what pieces I actually have, and then we'll go from there. So now for my next trick, I cut 2 holes in there because I really don't want to take that panel out, and I rigged the chain up, and then I'm going to rig it to the post. And then I'm going to try and pull the building down, which I don't think I will do, but we'll see what happens. I'll be back tomorrow morning bright and early so I can see if I can get all this off. I think we'll bring my body hammers and everything else, and we'll see if we can get it shaped correctly. And then next weekend, I guess I'll weld in the panels. I don't think I'll get far enough to weld tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave it here, but I'll be back at it tomorrow.